I'm not trying to withhold you from doing anything, but
I already purchased my ticket, so when my mom dies, that's on you.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues.
That's on you. Stop resisting.
A confirmed ticket, a checked bag, a passenger who insists the law is on his side. 8 minutes later, he is restrained on the airport floor. The real question is not whether he was intoxicated. It is whether each legal action taken against him was valid, and what the law actually says when a ticket holder and an airline disagree.
Are you good to
Copy 22.
Yeah. What do you mean?
I'm going to be at the on the public side of the checkpoint with 13 feet, white male, pink shirt. Started 94, please.
Check, TSA took him out because he's too drunk. And he's not understanding he got to check in a bag and he's drunk. He just wants to go.
For the next flight to win.
So you can have something to eat. And you can
The next flight to win.
tomorrow.
Yeah, win.
I can check for you. I can fix it for you.
What are you saying?
I need to move you for the next available flight.
That's not happening. So, thank you.
So, unfortunately, you won't be able to travel today, sir. Until you get something to eat, you hydrate, and you feel better.
Thank you for...
Sir, on this call here, so they already let you know you're not going to travel, right? So they're not going to let you pass the security.
Sir,
They have the final notice. It doesn't matter what you think.
I get it, but...
Okay, but you're not going to travel no matter what. So there's no point of going through this now. That's the managers, supervisors of Spirit right there. They have the final decision. Once they say you can't get on the plane, you can't get on the plane.
There's no dad.
You call whoever you want.
Yeah,
you want to come this way? So we were out of the line. We don't want nobody to bump into you by mistake.
You're welcome to take his picture, my picture.
All right, look, my name's right there. Make sure you get it clear.
Yeah, I got you.
Good.
Can we please just step out of the line over here?
Sir.
Sir, right over this way, please. You're welcome to make any phone calls that you need.
Let's walk this way. Go call your dad over there. That way you're not in the line and I don't want nobody bumping into you by mistake.
I'm sorry, but what the fuck is going on?
You're being asked not to fly because of your current intoxicated state. I can tell you your breath's flammable right now. You're that intoxicated. But they have the final say. We're just simply asking you to step out of the line because you're literally in the middle of the line right now.
I will be in line.
Thank you.
Please,
Sir, I wouldn't step over to that line either, sir.
That's
relax
illegal.
for a moment.
Guess what?
What's that?
I follow the law, and it's illegal for you guys to try to withhold me from going to the law
I'm not
doing anything wrong.
I'm not trying to withhold you
Okay,
from
so
doing
thank you. Let me
anything,
go.
but
I already purchased my ticket. My ticket is purchased. I'm checked in. I'm going home. Thank you.
You're not going to be able to fly.
Yes, I am, because guess what? It is not against law for me to fly when I already purchased my ticket against law.
sir, understand this. Just try.
Sir, I already
try-
understand.
try
Sir,
to-
thank you, Mr. Hansen. I already understand. I
don't think you do because you're
Sir,
really not listening.
No, I am listening. Sir,
Okay,
I purchased a ticket. No, I purchased a ticket. No.
Do you
officer
understand
can
what a
purchase
lifetime
ticket against me.
ban from a flight is?
I understand what a lifetime ban from.
Because you're about
I didn't
to
get
catch
that.
one.
Yeah, but I didn't.
If the manager's
I
asked,
didn't. I already purchased my ticket. Guess what? I am studying law. So thank you.
Alright. Fuller? So, what do we do?
you guys gonna rebook him?
He gotta go. He's done. I need his ticket because I'm getting ready to ban him also.
Yeah, so I'm going. Just let me go. What?
Okay, you're welcome to go. We have never stopped you from leaving.
Thank you.
You're just not getting on the flight. You can go that direction, not this direction.
Okay, so when my mom dies, that's on you.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having
That's on
issues.
you. Just leave me alone.
Sir, you don't
I'm
understand. You're
literally
not
just
going to be
going
able
home.
to board this flight
Why?
because you're intoxicated and the people that are managing this airline said they're not willing to allow you to get on the plane.
Excuse me.
I see Robert.
Hi, is this the computer's up? This one up? No? Alright.
I'll wait him right here. You got your ticket, sir?
Can I please just get my flight? Are you fucking kidding me?
Sir, we're past
My
that.
sister
We're
is
past
dead. No,
Sir,
stop.
do not touch me. Do you understand that? Sir, I'm going to give you the final warning. If you touch me again, you are going to jail. Do you understand that?
I'm watching.
I hope so. I'm also watching.
Yeah.
This camera's been recording your behavior. I'm telling you right now.
I understand. I understand all of my rights because I'm a lawsuit.
That's excellent. They're going to try to refund you, but you have to relax. You have to give them your information.
I'm not going to relax until you tell me I can go home because I've done nothing.
You're not going to be allowed to board this flight, sir. This gentleman's attempting to refund your flight. Do you have your ticket?
Because you're trying to get him to
Or do you have your
flight.
ID? Do you have an ID or your ticket? If you don't wish to get a refund, you're more than welcome to leave. But if you want a refund, they need to know who you are.
If I don't get a refund, you will... I have... No, I'm not...
Listen to this. Don't you make it hard. You not make it easy. Like this. First of all,
No, this is for the cop.
They were gonna ban him. He's right on the edge of the envelope where I was about to 15 him.
Okay.
But now he's broke down. He's just basically too drunk to fly, but keeps trying to get past us to get over into the lane to get out of here. I think Chloe's gonna rebook him on a later flight, but he's too drunk to get on this one. And she was gonna ban him because of his behavior, but now that he's broke down and crying, and he said his sister died, and that's why he's acting the way he is. It looks like she's gonna try to just rebook him on the next flight, and hopefully he won't continue to drink. And that might be the end of it. Hopefully.
You're not going through there. I'm telling you right now. Take out some gloves. I'm telling you right now.
Sorry?
You're not going through there. I'm telling you right now.
Okay.
So if I was you, walk outside, cool off when you're obviously sober, and then we'll go from there. There's no anything you're gonna say that's gonna change my mind. I'm giving you 10 seconds to walk out those doors right now.
No, I know, but can I have like a...
No, go. All right, listen, I'm gonna tell you something right now. You come back in here, you're going to jail. You're being trespassed. I'm telling you right now.
Why?
You have no book. You have no booking right now.
I do have you guys against jail too.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, you will go to jail if you come back in here. She has not rebooked you. I have confirmed it with her. Sir, let me speak.
Against my personal...
Sir, let me speak.
Yes.
She has not rebooked you because of the state that you're in right now. You're highly intoxicated.
Can I talk against the Supreme Court?
Who?
Against the Supreme Court?
Yes, if you want. Take it wherever you want.
The Supreme Court says you cannot take us against our right.
No,
we have the right to a fair trial.
Take 2 steps back.
No!
Take 2 steps back.
Against a fair trial.
Take 2 steps back.
Here we go.
You're being trespassed right now. You come back
and
here.
You're being filmed.
Sir, I need you to leave.
You're being filmed.
You're being filmed too. I need you to leave.
Okay.
Sir?
No. I have every right. Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Oh.
Stop resisting.
Stop trying to get up.
Help! Someone film this!
Stop trying to get up.
Someone film this!
Where's my mic?
They're taking my fucking right. Look at my fucking right.
Bravo 40, abducted
They
to respond.
are taking me against
Reference
my
at 10:15, white male.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. You know.
He's going to get for your ticket count.
What the heck? Why are you playing this? Guys, I just want my...
You're gonna get it.
All your property is getting collected right now.
Ow! Ow! My sister died against you, high.
Excuse me.
My sister fucking died against you. No! Stop! If you will let me go, I'll fucking sit! Stop!
Have a seat. Hey, do that shit again, you get another charge.
Stop. You're gonna make things worse for you, right?
Yeah, we have to bring him down here.
All you care about is your fucking ego.
Can I let you go and you'll be fine?
No!
You gonna relax? Come on, let's start relaxing, man. You're not getting...
Is this stuff here?
Yeah.
Look, this property's back. Are you alright?
Yeah, my fucking shoulder
You guys
hurts.
don't give a fuck. You guys have never given a fuck. Every time we try to tell you guys to give a fuck, you guys don't care.
Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 121.5, 175, subsection C, is a federal mandate. No commercial airline may permit a visibly intoxicated person to board its aircraft. This is a federal obligation enforced by FAA civil penalty per incident. A purchase ticket creates a contract of carriage, but that contract is subordinate to federal law. When denial of boarding is legally required, the passenger remedy is a refund, not a right to board, under Florida Section 784.s even. Battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. Battery requires only intentional non-consensual physical contact, a single unauthorized touch of a deputy, following an explicit prior warning, satisfies every element of this offense. Florida Section 810.8 defines trespass in a structure as remaining in an enclosed building after a valid warning to leave issued by an authorized person. An airport terminal qualifies as a structure under Florida Section 810.11. Noncompliance after a valid warning is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. Graham versus Connor, 490, United States, 386. Decided in 1989, holds that the reasonableness of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Courts apply 3 factors: the severity of the underlying crime, the threat level presented, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Florida Section 843.2 criminalizes knowingly resisting an officer engaged in the lawful execution of a legal duty. First-degree misdemeanor. Florida Section 856.11 separately covers disorderly intoxication in a public place. A second-degree misdemeanor. Each charge stands independently and does not require proof of the other. 3 legal principles this incident makes clear. First, under 14 C.F.R. Section 121.5, 175, a purchase ticket does not override a federal aviation safety mandate. Second, verbal protest is constitutionally protected throughout any police encounter, but physical resistance to a lawful enforcement action is a separate criminal offense under Florida law. Third, the court system, not non-compliance at the scene, is the only legally sound remedy for any disputed enforcement decision. Every enforcement action in this encounter had a stated legal basis. But legal authority and flawless legal execution are not the same thing. Was the trespass notice issued in full compliance with Florida procedural requirements? Did the force applied satisfy each of the Graham factors on these specific facts? And when this case reached the courts, did the record hold? These questions remain open, and the answers matter,